Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the 5G network on Samsung Galaxy F56 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Network Mode and wait for the results to appear. This option allows you to adjust your phone's network settings, ensuring the best connectivity for your device. Step 4. After performing the search, find Network Mode in the results and tap on it. Then tap again. This will take you to the Network Settings menu, where you can choose the preferred network type for your phone. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see the available network mode options. To enable 5G, select the option that includes 5G mode. Once you select this, your phone will instantly switch to the 5G network when available. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.